This is Mark Anton Read. I'm a creative director working in arts, fashion, beauty, and luxury with magazine campaigns for Vogue and Love magazine. I'm also a VFX supervisor and director and artist working on Tropic Thunder, Letters from Iwo Jima, and Harry Potter, as well as being a fine art photographer. I work with a lot of different systems that have to do with image processing, from being able to delve deep into images for fine pixel manipulation to processing large pipelines of information. And one of the things I've noticed that as we get used to working with large-scale shared networks such as storage area networks like VTrak or A-Class, we also have become greatly accustomed to that type of throughput. As far as disk arrays go, I've been working with the VTrak system for a couple of years now, and it's one of the highest performance systems I've ever used. I've worked with disk array systems since disk arrays first came out into being, and I'm extremely happy with it. The use of disk arrays in storage area networks is how we work with them. I put together the first storage area network system that was used in a non-compressed production, and I've continued to do it for several other productions. And the advantage of working with a storage area network in production is it means you can be shooting into the disk array, be grading into the disk array, be converting in the disk array if you do. If you're doing a non-compressed production, you don't need to convert at all. And you can be editing and conforming and using visual effects. The disk array in a storage area network is the center of the universe for production. With the advent of the Promise A-Class, the center of the universe just got more efficient, more reliable, and more compact. All of the things that used to be external to your storage area network, whether it's your metadata server storage, your metadata server redundant power, your metadata server redundant server, the fiber channel switches associated with it, the Ethernet switches, the independent network, all of these things, with the exception of the Ethernet switch, have been embedded into the A-Class itself. It's a single box that you open up the box, you plug in Ethernet and fiber channel, you type in the IP address of the A-Class, it pops up a window that allows you to download the client software to whichever operating system you're using. It can be Macintosh, PC, or Linux. You authenticate the user client from a window that can be a browser on the client computer of the A-Class, and you're in. It is that simple. We can take it to an environment, set it up, bring in entire new computers, and they're online instantly. Well, once after we set them up, you can take it into an entirely new production and bring new computers that have never seen this environment, a mixture of computers. With different cameras, we have different needs to have different operating systems and different computers around. Red cameras require Apple computers. Phantom cameras require PCs. Flame systems require Linux. All these things are being mixed together all at once. All of these systems can plug into the Promise A-Class at the same time. They can all be using the same data at the same time, and they can be coexisting at once, and it works out of the box.